Hello Cancer, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 23rd November to 29th November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading Cancer, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in your work, money or job situation, and what challenges or obstacles you could face Cancer. So if you are aware of it, you can handle it wisely. Now this is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well if messages do resonate. So let's start Cancer. Cancer's general energy, career, business, money. Cancer's general energy, career, business, money situation. 23rd to 29th November. Spirits and guides, angels and guides. Okay. Six of Swords, so card of travel, meeting many new people, that's what I get. Four of Wands, yes, definitely. Queen of Wands, Queen of Cups, the Empress, Page of Swords, and Four of Swords. So Cancer, what I see here is that you will be traveling work related. There's a lot of work to do. It could be a stressful situation also. There's a lot of work more than that you can handle. It talks also about some minor glitches, minor obstacles coming to you, which will make you a little irritated at times. But it happens. Nothing goes smooth in very smooth. But it seems that you will handle all this well. Even if there are certain obstacles, certain glitches, you will be handling them well. But there is a lot of work. That's what I feel here. More than you can handle, lot of responsibilities. Some of you are going work related travel or relocating also with the Six of Swords here. You might relocate or move places or just travel related to your success, business or job situation. For some of you, there will be deals happening, partnerships happening, something, or a foundation of something is happening here. So it could be differently for, finally signing contracts and deals, and it's like that. Four of Wands, very divinely guided on the divining timing. You have worked hard for this, you have gone through a grind for this, but now you see the results. You can see gains, you can see, monetary gains or resource gains, gains in resources, anything it could be here. Some of you could buy an apartment or a car, something like that. Now in personal life, some of you could be traveling for a marriage or relatives marriage or your own marriage or for a get together. That's what I get with family and friends. So it could burn a hole in your pocket. That's what this is for some of you here. This is your energy Cancer. Irrespective of whatever things are happening around you, there will be a little chaos, there might be a little stressful times. I feel it's more of a relationship at home. You could be stressed about your personal life. For some of you, relationship issues could be there, that could make you a little low at times, but you will get over this. You will keep yourself busy at work, and you will put your focus back to work, and you will see, now you get this Empress card. You will see growth, abundance. You will see your money growing, your plans are working through. It's all because of your hard work. This is a card of also, it's a card of going from coal to harvest. So whatever hard work you have done previously, it is giving you gains, it is giving you results. That's what I get here. So you will see the harvest time here. Page of Swords, so you're curious, you're keeping an eye on your competitors, you are trying to find out what products sell best, who is doing better. Page of Swords, having information, gathering knowledge, that's what you will be doing here. Also, it could be some communication coming to you regarding something, some communication coming to you. Swords is, or you might make a change in the way you for some, maybe there was a certain work which you did in a certain way previously. So now with gaining additional knowledge, you might change the way, maybe the change the way the marketing, one does your marketing. You might move to an online. Before, you must have practiced the traditional method like newspapers and printing media and all. So there is some change you are bringing to your thinking. You're curious, you are finding out ways to promote your product, or or some communication could come, so that you will change, that will bring a certain change in you, whether it's your thinking, or it could be in your physical world also. So definitely some news coming in, some communication coming in, or your own thoughts that bringing some change or some small change. Some of you will be, need to take rest. That's what I get here. There is lot of hard work, so take time out for yourself. Do meditation, do yoga. Do not, all work and no play is like very boring, so it just or taking your time out, taking rest. This is what I get here. So you need to cut away from this stress, cut away from this hard work, and do practice, spiritual practices. You could do, you could heal yourself, you could be meditating, you could be, I actually, some of you, if you are not well, you could be recovering from a certain ailment. That's also what I get here. But it's a period of rest and healing that you need to do. If you find that your situation is really stressed, or if you are not keeping well, you need to take rest, and especially cut down your stress. That's what I get here. Although I do not see any pentacle card, but these two cards is enough for growth, abundance. This is a card of growth, abundance, harvest. So whatever work you have put in through, whatever, maybe if it's stock market, you were into real estate, you were into farming, basically farming, good profits, good gains coming in. That's what I see here, Cancer. Deals, partnership happening. So monetary gains could come from this card also. That's what with the Four of Wands, a payout from a partnership, a deal could come through. That's what I get here. So farming, buying, selling, rentals, leases, stock market, brokerage, anything you talk, it's going to get you gains, it's going to get you profit. So hard working week, lot of grinding, but yes, successful, gainful. I mean gains here, and it's an upward swing in your professional life, in your money, in your business situation here. And it is about meeting lot of people, and also gaining knowledge and sharing knowledge. So this is it. Now let me just pull out an angel guidance card, Cancer. Angel guidance card for Cancers. Okay, this card pop. Self-resilience. So this is the card here. Don't be afraid to fly solo. So this is the message here. So if at all you are feeling a little low confident about something, or you had doubts, so just fly solo. This is self-resilience. Believe in yourself. I see that you believe in yourself, and it will lead you to success. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.